Change management. Change management is the process of planning, coordinating, and controlling changes to a system or environment in a controlled and systematic manner. Change management is an important aspect of the operation and maintenance of systems, and is designed to ensure that changes are implemented smoothly and efficiently, with minimal disruption to the system or its users. Change management involves several key activities, including identifying the need for change. This involves identifying problems or opportunities that can be addressed through changes to the system. Planning the change. This involves developing a plan for implementing the change, including identifying the resources and personnel needed, estimating the time and cost required, and identifying any potential risks or impacts of the change. Implementing the change. This involves carrying out the actual changes to the system, including testing, training, and deploying the changes. Evaluating the change. This involves assessing the impact of the change on the system and its users, and determining whether the change has achieved the desired results. Overall, change management is an important process that helps organizations to implement changes to their systems in a controlled and systematic manner, ensuring that the changes are implemented smoothly and efficiently, with minimal disruption to the system or its users.